We are doing the Contractor Challenge. We're here in Grapevine in Dallas. We have currently 8 teams. We've had 6 of them already. We're in the finals right now. First place, second place. We have TP Acoustical and M&H competing against one another. We've had a total of 4 of the main manufacturers. We've got Armstrong, USG, Certainty, Rockfon, G&S Acoustics. So each heat they had to do one main ceiling, a traditional 2x2 with some perimeter trim around the edge, and then below that they were going to drop down an acoustical treatment, a pennant of a baffle sort below the existing system. So there was an hour and a half to do the installation. We went right up to the max, and again, they were judging on different criteria based off the ability to read the drawings. We gave them drawings beforehand. They had 30 minutes to read the drawings for the first time, and then they were able to put the ceilings together. They were graded on that and safety and the quality of the actual installation. And competing against each other, first place is $5,000, second place $2,500, and then from there, a slew of Hilti. Hilti has been a huge sponsor for this Contractor Challenge, and everybody walks away with a load of Hilti gear, impact drivers, lasers, you name it. So pretty much very unique in that we've got contractors from all over. So just having some fun.